My fun.
Pass to number 30. 2 points. Score natin 2, 4, or 4. Okay. Sinasa 11. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
First 6.
Not 11. Start to pass number 5. Number 5. Tuloy sa ilalim. Traveling.
Okay, service ng AGV combined.
Okay. 24. Pinasa number 10. Number 10. Pinasa number 10. Wala. Rebound sino. Jump ball. Sabrek.
Nice one!
Right ball. Philippines to 11. Okay. 11. 15 to shoot. 11 pumasok. Foul number 24. Walang ball shot. 11. 5 to shoot.
Short. Middle point.
5 to shoot.
Outside. Combined point.
Isa lang. Kuha.
24, ganun mo kapatid na sa kinato. Wala. Rebound sa number 11. 11, nabitawan, pero nakakuha na number 5. Continue. Foul. Foul number 10.
Nice one. Number 9. Third deadlock foul.
Grabe.
Another point. Wow. Grand medals.
Rebound sa number 10. Number 10.
AGB TND point.
Foul number 11.
Meron ba kami?
Number 10. So service. Point 4. Number 10. 1 point.
Isa lang.
Another point. Service ace ni number 10. 5-3 in favor of AGP. Another point for number 10. Tapos na. Ay, another service ace ni number 10. 7-3. Outside. 5-4. Medals.
Pinasa. Nakakuha ng Garcia. Garcia pinasa natin. Back to Garcia. Wala. Jackie. Wala rin.
Salita kayo.
Another point. Meadows. 7-5.
Main mo na, main mo.
Wala
Usap, usap.
wala. Number 5, number 5. Number 5. Easy big one. Para kay number 5.
Nice one. He scored 7-6. Isa na lang ang lamang ni Meadows.
Tabla, ate. Tabla. Nice.
Another point from number 3.
Palamang.
Another deadlock. 7-all.
Next pass number 22 number 3. Wala rin bawal ng Manos. Whereas pass to Garcia. Garcia. Usahan ng papasukan. Garcia to number 3.
Meadows point. Lamang na si Meadows. 8-7.
Distansya.
28, pass to number 5.
Distansya.
Number 5.
Relax. Kalma lang ha. Yan.
5 to shoot. 2 points.
Ang galing! Nice! Tabi! Tabi! Nice! Pabalik! Pabalik!
Another point from John Meadows. He scored 9-7.
Number 2.
Dalawa, alaga lang. Nice one!
Number 28. Sinasay number 5.
Nice! Nice!
Number 5. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
AGB point.
Tumira, wala. Number 30. May pinagmamadali. Pinagawa ang bola ng mamadali. Pinakasakit na tumira. 2 points. Para kay Guerranos. 13-10. Popular na pasanila. Last 50 seconds.
Outside point for Grand Meadows.
5 to shoot. Number 5, Torino. 3 points. 5-5.
Outside service ace from Mami.
24. 5 to shoot. 30, Torino.
Short ang service.
Number 5, number 5.
11-9.
Last 15 seconds. Wala. Rebound pa rin. Last 10 seconds. Garcia. Nagmamagala Garcia. 5 seconds.
Stepping. Point for Meadows.
And the first quarter. So natin on 13. Walang lamang.
Nice one! Oh, relax.
Point for AGB PMG combined.
Back to the ball game. Pass to the lima.
Point for Meadows. Score natin 13-10 in favor Meadows.
Please lang.
Sako, wala. Number 11.
Nice one. Kay number 19.
Number 5. Wala. Rebound number 24. 24. 15 na Wala rin.
Service.
Rebound sa Nananos.
19.
Pass to number 7. Number 7. Tumira. Wala. Rebound na lang po. Number 7. 2 points.
Meron point.
Top 7.
13-11. 3-point lead. Sa Meadows.
Relax lang ha. Nice! Nice!
Top to shoot.
Point 4. AGB PLG combined.
Tumira.
Actually,
2 points. Para kay
the
number
lead.
Number 7.
Point 4. AGB combined.
3 points. Para kay number 12. Flat out. Flat out.
14-13. Sana lang. Another point from combined. Deadlock 44. Outside. Lamang na ulit si AGB combined.
May camera pala dyan.
Outside. Another deadlock. All 15.
Wala. Rebound na ba sa number 5. Apat laban sa isa. Pinasok. Wala. Rebound ulit. 11.
Point 4. AGB combined. Lamang ulit si AGB ng 1 point.
8
Nice!
Another point from number 10.
Taas lang, taas lang!
Time out. Grand Meadows. Lowell, tubig. Lowell, tubig.
Wala. Rebound na number 5. Binababa ang bola.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball.
1, 2, 3! Kaya nyo ha, kaya nyo! Lalayo! Lalayo!
Another point from AGB combined. Nice one from number 8. The score 18-16 in favor. Number 14 in, ay out. Number 10 in. Camera.
Relax lang ha! Usap, usap! Uso! Nice!
AGB combined. Score natin 19-16. 3-point lead for the block team.
Likod nga niya.
Another point for AGB combined. 20-16. 4-point lead for the block.
Ipopost ko pag mamamatay na sila. Pag matatalo na sila, popost na.
Uy, shot! Yung spike.
Okay lang yan, hindi nakita sa video.
Meron point.
Service lang. Service lang.
Tinanggal yung dulo. Sino kaya?
20-17.
24-24 na yung score, no? Tapos pinatay mo yung ano.
Another point for AGB combined. 21-17. Short. Service. Point for Meadows.
Service lang. Line mo, line.
Number 28, back to number 5. Number 5, 5 to shoot. Tumira, narinig yung si Mother. Narinig number 30, back to Granado. 1-1.
Nice service ace.
Line lang.
Number 10.
Rebound to number 28. 28. Nasugot number 30, number 20 Granado. Granado, Tumira. 3.
Point for AGB. 34-19. Lamang po ang AGB combined ng 3 points. Outside. Point for Grand Meadows. 22-20.
Diskarte muna. Diskarte.
Point for Meadows. 22-21.
Let's go, Meadows!
Tapusin. Doon lang mo.
40 to shoot.
Nice.
Foul.
Babalik, babalik.
AGB combined point. Running. 23-21.
Wala.
Number 19 sa service.
Granados. Harap na number 24. Nasunod. Nabalik ulit si Granados. Nakuha na number 20.
Meadows. 43-22.
Nasa iyo ang panalo,
1
boy.
point lead sa AGB.
You, boy. Nakakatakot yung vlog.
Inside. 4-4. Meadows. Meadows ang 33.
Number 5. Tumira. Wala.
Control.
Number 16.
Likod na, likod. Babalik yan. Babalik, babalik.
Another point for Meadows. Yes, time out. AGB.
Wala. Rebound ng Lester. Back to number 11. 2 points by number 3. 20-21. 26-19 in favor of Pasadena. 24, Parin.
Back to the ball game. Okay. Set point for Grand Meadows. Point for AGB combined. Okay, 2 consecutive points. Nanalo. Juice po. Ay, sayang. Point for Meadows. Set point for Grand Meadows.
11. Babalik! Wala. Babalik!
Point for AGB combined. Another juice. Number 10 for service. AGB. Set point for AGB. And set one goes to AGB combined.
Tapos na po. Huwag na kayo manood. Huwag na po manood. Tapos na po yung laro. Lipat ba natin ito? Muna!